What do Casper, Allbirds, Magic Spoon have in common? They all built their website around 3 colors, like literally white, black, green. Designing a website can be very confusing, you don't know where to start, but this one simple rule of keeping it to 3 colors max already puts you halfway through the marathon. All the top websites and brands stick to 3 colors max. Karen Haller, applied color psychology specialist, notes that using limited color palettes helps in creating a cohesive brand identity and ensures that the brand message is clear and impactful. Research indicates that when websites use limited amount of color palettes, it tends to lead to higher engagement rates and higher conversion rates. This is because with simpler color schemes, it reduces cognitive load and it leads to a more intuitive navigation experience. So do whatever you can to make sure your website only has 3 colors to avoid ending up like these examples. So you can see from these examples, they have like 5 different colors, 2 different color palettes of the same color, like a light blue and a navy blue. And as you can see, the website, it looks okay, but it definitely feels like there's something off. If they literally brought it down to just 3 colors max, their website would look drastically better. Just as Confucius, the Chinese philosopher, once said, life is simple, but we insist on making it complicated. But yeah, that's it.